640.
Remember, when I go here to play, she asked me, what is your name? I forgot.
5 pesos, yes. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, where are you from, sir? Hey! Get the fuck
No,
away from me.
guys, not need touch him. Not need. Hi everyone. Today we're going to walking street with Georgi and walk around Fields Avenue. Thursday, 4 p.m. Thursday today. I will ask how much euro now. Good afternoon. How much euro now? Euro. 59.50. British pound. British pound 68.20. Australian dollar. Australian dollar 35.30. Okay, thank you very much. It's for my subscribers. They come to Philippines and already know. Thank you. Where Georgi?
A regular massage.
Another blogger.
Yes, massages are great.
But what happened? Why? One way only. You think because it's this hole? No, no, I think no. So maybe. I think no. I don't know, one way only. Of course, always traffic.
Because they did not repair the road, you see?
So you think not repair road?
Yes. If they remove, maybe motorbike will slow down in the center.
No, maybe. No, Georgi. They repair road in the side. Take a look. What's why one way only? Because this road not so wide.
Not
Yeah. clothes also this way. This is row of clothes. Georgi, I prepare for you name cards. Name card for Georgi. It's enough for you? And stickers also. Stickers. You need stickers or not? No, you take even two stickers only. If you need more. And I order already a different name card with round corner. Here 56.40. 56.40. You want play billiard?
No. I see the waitress play.
Ah, waitress play?
Yes.
Ah, you know her.
Yes, sometimes.
Maybe before you play,
Sometimes,
you play before with her.
I don't remember. When I go here to play, and she asked me, what is your name? I forgot. Because I play here before COVID.
Ah, before COVID you play with her.
Maybe with her. I don't remember.
Okay, with another waitress maybe.
Yes, no, this one.
Ah, this one.
She works here several years already.
Ah,
So
okay.
before COVID, she works here.
Okay.
DWS, you get juvenile, right? You get psychology. And you're like borderline Facebook pulling out here in Western Union because why? Because you're part of this, Republican China communist isolation on corners, right? You see that? They're getting brave when little kids throwing things in corners.
Thank you, sir.
Why
Give to children 20 pesos. No, he say hi, like it's good. I give last, don't have, sorry. No, you can together with him share, because I give 20. What he asking about two children, you don't know. This foreigner who sit, you don't know. No, this guy, foreigner. Ah, you not understand. He not understand. Okay. But I don't have. Georgi, you have 5 peso. He also don't have. Next time if I walk with 5 peso, yes. Okay. Okay. No, I will. Don't worry. Georgi, I will exchange. Maybe have 5 peso. If I say to him I will give, I need to give.
They will ask every time.
No. It's okay if I not every time, Georgi. I will. Yes, up to me, but I will exchange. Wait. Yes, I will go to a 7-Eleven and buy water. Not here. Don't have water. Water in 7-Eleven. Yeah. I will buy bottle water and I will give to. I remember this guy.
team up and come over here. You're on.
Hello. Bottle water. Absolute. Georgi, you want? Also, 2 liters is good for you. It's good for health. You
I
want
need small, but
small? Don't have small. Only big. Need drink more water.
Yes, sir.
2 liters, 53 peso.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And I will give to guy, to children. We will give to. Georgi, you need to buy 2 liters. It's not enough to you.
Thank you.
I have 7 peso. I don't know who is really who asking. Georgi, do you remember with which guy, which children?
Who is it?
I have 7 peso only.
Say the boss.
7 where this guy?
Fucking American guy. Tell me, kid. Are you that fucking stupid? Yes, you are. Why?
I don't know why he's so angry.
All because of this shit.
My friend.
Hi. Hi.
Who are you, man? Hey. You're part of the fucking. What do you do, man?
Huh?
Why are you feeding?
What why?
Yeah, where are you from, sir? Hey! Get the fuck
No,
away from me.
guys, not need touch him, not need touch. You see, he is not good condition, not touch, okay?
Condition,
Yeah, please not touch, because you take a look.
Are you Russian? You know,
Yeah, I'm Russian, yes, I'm Russian.
Yeah, Kagdila, yeah.
Ah, you speak Russian?
Yeah.
Ah, where are you from? Where are you from?
Vladivostok.
Where are you from?
I'm from, Yuzhno-Sakhalinsk.
Hi?
Yeah, da.
From where?
I'm from FSB. I'm from Mossad, all right?
Ah, from USA.
No, I'm from Israel. I'm from Mossad. I'm from Chornay Dolphin.
Okay.
You know, hey, these kids are fucking around with a...
Yes, I always, but I need to say, guys, not need touch him, okay? Yeah, he will sit, it's okay, sit and sit, not need...
Yeah, I have Russian...
But I already give all coins. I know, not need touch him, okay, guys? Because he not good condition, maybe sick, not need to touch, okay? Please, just only you if you.
I'm from.
I'm Russian. I'm Russian. Russia. Okay, guys. Okay, I need to go. Please, not touch him. Okay. I don't know where Georgi. Ah, Georgi already on the way.
Nakadress pa ako eh.
I give coins to children, and I say not need touch with foreigner because he is maybe sick, not need to disturb him. As children, of course, they not understand. But they kind, they good children. What? Not understand. Massage, Georgi, want? New girl, don't know if I'm...
Explain who I am.
А,
Mauri.
show me. Maureen, who is it? It's girl from massage? Service. Massage service. This time Kokomas don't have people, only one. Georgi, we can try walk here. Don't want? Where better? Coffee shop, okay. Okay, coffee shop. I will drink my water. Happy hour. Georgi, happy hour, it means cheaper now. Drinks cheaper and girls cheaper, all cheaper. Only drinks. It's not happy. It's not happy hour, it's only drinks. Now time 5:45. Ah no, 5:14. Only 14.
Yes, cappuccino hot latte.
Guys, thank you for watching. We will sit with Georgi in a cafe. I will drink 2 liters water only. And Georgi, what you want? Cappuccino large.
Yes.
Say thank you for watching.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you for watching. Okay guys, thank you.